6 reasons to go with green cleaning solutions today. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Have you ever thought about the ingredients that go into the cleaning products you use around your home? There is some terrifying stuff you can find in them, especially if you start reading the labels and doing more research on what the contents are, apart from strange-sounding names. Many people are now switching from conventional cleaning methods and solutions to green cleaning alternatives. You too should do this, for a variety of important reasons. Number 1. Your home will be safer. Plenty of commercial products have the words toxic, danger, warning, and others such on their labels. These should give you a pretty good idea of the harm that can come from them. Think about your children and your pets, who are especially vulnerable to toxic ingredients. You can minimize the risk and make your home a safer environment by cutting out such products from your cleaning routine. Number 2. Think about your health. When you use green cleaning products, you will feel a lot better. Commercial cleaners contain ingredients that you know nothing about. Green cleaners, on the other hand, are usually made of baking soda, white vinegar, lemon juice or other such ingredients that you know all too well. These are safe for human health, even when used indoors. There will be no coughing, sneezing, skin irritation, headaches or any such symptoms with them. Number 3. Better the quality of indoor air. Using conventional cleaning solutions does contribute to indoor air pollution with volatile organic compounds. They have been associated with various health problems, which you will most certainly want to avoid. With green cleaners, you don't really need to worry about that, as their ingredients aren't harmful at all and serve to purify indoor air. Number 4. You can save money. It is no secret that commercial cleaning products are expensive. You can add some savings to your account by making your own cleaners with eco-friendly ingredients, which really don't come with a big price tag. Other than that, you can purchase eco-friendly cleaners that are good for multiple jobs, instead of having a separate product for every little chore. Number 5. Cleaning is easy the eco-friendly way. Believe it or not, eco-friendly cleaners make most chores very easy. This is especially the case when you have a product that can be used in so many chores. For example, vinegar is an essential option for multi-purpose cleaners, window cleaners and bathroom cleaners. You can deal with a lot of cleaning chores without switching to another product. Number 6. You help the environment. By choosing eco-friendly products over commercial counterparts, you are making solid steps towards a greener environment. Since you are using naturally derived cleaning products, you have nothing to fear. They cannot pollute the environment the same way as other products, and that is a great thing. These are all solid reasons to switch to green cleaning solutions at home. Don't wait, make that change today. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.